領域展開
Like this. My cup holders are like this, okay? So you pull it out, right? Oh, I want to get something in my center console. Whoop.
Do you have any questions for me?
Can I fart real quick or no?
It's a free country, dude.
Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Attention, maggot. Oh shit.
I don't usually sport goalie.
Ready? Bro, who made this sandwich? There's no bun.
Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain.
Bro, why are you here? I just love my dog.
Hello? Are you ugly on purpose?
Opa.
Ándale, una lavadita y para mi tía.
I got powers, bro.
Dog, look.
Leute, ich habe eine Ratte gefunden. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. I put the new forges on the jack.
Dog shooter in the Northwest. I've never seen nobody be able to do this. I can do it quick. Okay? I'm just saying.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
This little guy keeps biting my phone and my fingers. You know what that means.
Microwave.
Let me take my kid.
even wanna go. I don't even wanna go. I don't even wanna go.
But what the hell, boy?
Will be what? Important. So this is the analogy the Lord gave me.
I'll tell you once but not again, and you touch me like you love me.
Wash my fucking noodles.
Oh, look at Alfred over here. He doesn't suspect a thing.
Oh my God!
Yo, look at this guy. Stop for a sec. Stop. Yo, do a kickflip. Huh? Do a kickflip. What the fuck's he doing? Yo, valid.
This dude, and he's got the whole PS4 set up outside with Wi-Fi.
Nah, unfortunately, Wi-Fi coming soon though.
Wi-Fi coming soon.
If there's any ghosts in here, you better come out right now. I'm calling the priest again. Man, fuck you.
You know this Rolling Rock, man. Rolling Rock. Rolling Rock. Yeah, I just got a little sketch going on here.
Hole cutter. What does that do? Oh, I think we can put it in the side of our house, and we can extend our house.
Was hat die Katze getan? Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Free the cat! Was hat sie getan?
I think that women are people too.
Are you sure about that?
Eu sou belo homem doente. Algo horrível está acontecendo comigo.
Cheetos! What are you doing? You can't.
Y'all trying to go on a detour?
Because I'm gonna take you to a persona.
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, who the hell are you?
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
What?
Y'all know the techniques that they've been all out here, man. All out here.
Got a butterfly today, but it's time to finally set it free. Fly, butterfly, be free!
I love burritos.
What? What is going on? What the crap? Can I get a piece? Huh? I said, can I get a piece?
No cap, no cap, no cap, no cap, no cap!
What's trying to do? Poison me? I hate that stuff.
Like, oh, wow.
Full circle.
Oh my God, sir.
Wait for
I'm waiting for you. Oh my God. Oh, what the heck?
She fall in love with me. She fall in love with me. It's so easy to love me.
Always keep first in the name of Jesus. Always believe in yourself. Bet on yourself. Trust yourself. Depend on yourself and God. Feel free to walk in up until 10 p.m. tonight.